Welcome back to my channel. In this video, mag-unbox tayo ng mystery box from Jollibee. Wow! This is the kiddie meal. Ayan, it's a kids meal. Compare ko siya sa isang Happy Meal from McDonald's. It's currently trending sa Philippine Pokémon community. And nabudol ako. Okay, I got only one. Ito yung mga possible Pokémons na makukuha ko. We have Pichu, Psyduck, Munchlax, Vulpix, and si Riolu. Dito sa ordinary Pokeball. And naging siyang Great Ball, we can have their evolution. Pikachu, Golduck, Snorlax, Ninetales, and Lucario. Comment down below kung sinong gusto nyo makuha sa mystery box na to. I'm hoping to get Munchlax and Riolu or Lucario. Basta't hindi si Golduck. Hindi ko gaano gusto si Golduck. I prefer Psyduck. So, let's see kung sino makuha ko. Ito muna yung box. Yan. And promotional use in the Philippines only. Okay, buksan ko na guys. Isa lang to. One chance to get my Lucario Munchlax. Okay, open ko na. Yan. Oh, the Pokeball. And sabi nila, may nakita akong video sa TikTok. If binasa ko to, malalaman ko na kung sino yung nasa loob. So, I won't be reading that. So, ito na tayo. Here. Here's the packaging. We have Pokemon. Open ko na. Here. I will close my eyes kung anong klaseng Pokeball to. Okay. Comment down below guys if ano to. Hindi ko pa tinitignan. I feel like Great Ball siya guys. Great Ball. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, yes. It's a Great Ball. Sino kaya? I choose you. Wow! Snorlax. Oh my God, yes. Okay, I'm not disappointed. Wow, we have a Snorlax. It's a Great Ball siya. So you can put it inside. And the store na siya. That's that. I really like it guys. Yan. Comment down below if na-try nyo na to. If sino nakuha nyo, comment down below. I will give this kiddie meal by Jollibee a 10 out of 10. Like, na-excite ulit ako sa isang fast food toy. Like, wow. We have Snorlax. Okay guys, that's that. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye!